Something special awaits us each day. All we need to recognize it and make the most of it. We should have a positive attitude throughout the day, and then that today is going to be the best day of our life. With this beautiful light, a very warm good morning to one and all present over here, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. I am Sampath Kumar Hendram, on behalf of Standard 9, welcoming you to today's morning assembly. Let's start the morning assembly with DAV gun.
School! Attention! Ready for DAV gun! Join your hands and close your eyes.
First of all, I would like to call for taking place.
School! Stand at ease!
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Now I would like to call evening 10 principles of Arya Samaj.
10 principles of Arya Samaj. Principle number 5. All actions should be performed in conformity of dharma that is due consideration of right and wrong. Principle number 6. The primary aim of the Arya Samaj is to do good for all. That is promote their physical, spiritual, and social well-being. Thank you.
For today's thought, I would like to call
Today's thought of the day is he who wants everything every time will lose everything anytime. Thank you.
School! Attention! Ready for prayer song.
For some amazing fact, I would like to call.
Hello friends, today I am going to say about our country India. The name of my country is India. The capital of India is New Delhi. It got independence on 15th August 1947. India is an agricultural country. Hindi is our national language. The peacock is the national bird of India. Rupee is the currency of India. I am proud of being Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind!
Now I would like to call Sudha presenting today's word.
Good morning. I am Ananya Mahanta, study in class 6. Today's word of the day is starving. Its spelling STARVING. Starving. Its meaning suffering from hunger. I repeat my word, starving. Its spelling STARVING. Starving. Its meaning suffering from hunger. Thank you.
School! Attention! Ready for national anthem.
If you have the chance to make people happy, just do it. Sometimes people are struggling silently. Maybe your act of kindness can make their day. So with this beautiful line, I am concluding today's morning assembly. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
School, stand at ease. Assembly dispersed.